Today, I make a solemn vow before God and all who are present here that I will love you to the end of my days,
Wouldn't it be nice if we
to grow with you and not apart, to make my achievements ours and your challenges mine.
And to love you deeply and honestly as your teammate, your partner, and your forever love.
we belong?
Hi po, good morning.
You know it's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight and stay together. Wouldn't it be nice?
I'm so excited for you. I can't believe na it's finally your wedding day at makikita na kitang naka-wedding gown. Feeling ko may iyak ako, may iyak kami talaga. You're so beautiful! I can't. I just can't. My makeup.
But let's talk about it. Wouldn't it be nice?
Yung wish ko sa inyo ni Trish, basta lagi ka akong dito. Basta pag kailangan nyo, chat nyo lang ako.
How are you doing? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling excited for this wonderful moment of your wedding ceremony? Yes, I guess even your guests this afternoon, your loved ones, your families are equally happy for both of you.
Till I ride away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket, you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
Hi, love. Sino nga bang mag-aakala? Yung dating hi, Ma'am Trish. Good morning po. Pahingi naman ang scan ng docs na to ay nandito sa harapan ko, sumusumpa kay God bilang napakagandang kabiyak ng puso ko.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better.
Naalala ko pa nga noon, sabi mo sa mga ka-work mo, sobrang galit na galit ka sa akin dahil sobrang demanding at ang dami kong documents na hinihingi sa'yo.
I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't.
Lloyd, aking asawa, matapos ang napakaraming biyahe sa SETEX from Porac to Subic, andito na tayo. Sa wakas, hindi ka na magmamanehong mag-isa.
Say goodbye to the fact we should stick together. I know I said I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. Birds of a
Pero sa simpleng gawa ko na yon, doon na pala magsisimula ang ating love stories. Actually, hindi ko lang alam na isa lang yun sa mga diskarte ko para makausap kita palagi araw-araw.
forever, it's even better.
Naiyak ako. I know everything happens for a reason, but
We've been through low.
we really hope you're here with us. But that's life, and
All the colors
we miss you every day, and we love you so much.
Congratulations. May your marriage be filled with endless love and joy. Best wishes.
Love you, Mama.
You got all my love.
Sapagkat ang pag-aasawa
Whether it
ay hindi selfish, hindi maramot, hindi yung kanya-kanya. Kailangan palagi kayong magkasama. Di ba sabi nga, you are no longer two, but one. At kung ano man ang pinag-isa ng Diyos, ay walang sino man ang pwedeng makapaghihiwalay na ito.
you've got all my love.
Now that we are married, I know there will be more challenges ahead, and it won't always be easy. With that, I promise these things. I promise to believe in you, the person you will continue to become, and in the couple we will grow into together. I promise to cherish every moment of our journey, knowing that with you, I am exactly where I am meant to be.
'Cause you got all my love, whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. You've got all my love, whether it rains, it remains.
Love really waits, and alam ko na binigay ka sa akin ni God sa tamang panahon at perfect time. Ikaw ang una ko at huli. I love you na and I love you pa.
Ngayon nasa ka na, marriage ka na, sana mahalin mo si Trish at yung magiging pamilya mo. I love you.
Whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. La 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 la. That's all I can say. You got all my love, for now and always, till the end of my days. You got
I would choose you in every lifetime and in every world. Mahal kita ngayon at magpakailanman.
You've got all my